Wakwaba and found GCN pages so meaning at the address searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell so ube a notification. And some airports were many now when you be a tea. And I say when you be a share and what GCN page here. Ura Fuseni Donko Oka NDC communication team members no. Now Ura Fuseni Oka say and some ben Ura Fuseni can and some more king and say Abba Ade. San Candice Fube meeting pa no more friend. Allotey Jacobs on better meeting in the day. And accommodate to suffer a year Uracha Wontumi. Our year Ashanti regional chairman. Dima NP Amayokulu Crab and Kenny far better. Some befre Ura Bernard Allotey Jacobs so better meeting in the day. Now Ura Fuseni, a real Nosanso Casepe. Ura Bernard Allotey Jacobs. Our year former central regional chairman. No, the mind is Amayokulu. Sisi onankasa we party ni ANDC for the papa na ombe ko ho nase ombe ya ho Thanksgiving papa so Allotey Jacobs party ni because oni subai wo party ni nti ende Allotey Jacobs okwa onko na adofu de enti owura fuse ni eka se ina ni se na se mo won yenya nti NDC for apart na se so Allotey Jacobs onko dina ho kakra omo ama no suspension ni na so Allotey Jacobs ha dwedodo na we no kukuru o party ni mu baba e den na moje adenti na mo ya NDC fo na mo pese bu be support NDC fo na ni Allotey Jacobs sorry a me desisi no be support na nado e no ba wo mia because omo amemu no e ye good NDC fo so mo TV that aden na wo ya NDC ni na na nado kra bu amambu ni ye obeka yes, I will criticize nobody to just send a bear Ghana for a better yard near to a power. Now, the most sorry, and another dry, the rubber or me, I didn't know what to say. Then this is what I said on the meeting on which I said, Bernard Allotey Jacobs. Come on, go and sit home, Kakra. Kakra, because the better yes after one, and Allotey Jacobs, now Casaba to do what you said. Me and a woman is suspension. Me and a demon, I'm a bad party, Murphy. Me and my sack Murphy. Me try and my friend because more friend me and yadia member. I will never come back to NDC party. Me come baby, member. Me boss say me NDC ni bi NDC for munja me life mama. Munja ma brabo for me na akasa me bo ma brabo. Na NDC for say na sa no kwa kwa ne fa ya ho. O kwa ye fa ya ho. Ya kwa ye ndese wo ko. Na no ru afisani fusie ni don ko HSA. Allotey Jacobs ko na wo ko ne kwa ye ko na ase. Because so hard do party ni pa. Now we send this if we be meeting here be frost e better na be party and get the be free chama Wontumi so better na because ka chama Wontumi be yase because in never why our party no e do so na do fienti ensem a owura fuse ni don ko e de etudwa
Allotey de me de mama replied that say nyame adom okoi de ye be ko na ase asori
we be ko na ase asori
for sure. Hey, Sheminia.
Wow.
Hey, the enemy within is more difficult and dangerous than the enemy without. Sure. And I can Allotey Baba try meeting with your friend is saying. Chama Wontumi better now.
Oh, really?
I'm telling you. Okay,
I'm telling you. I say
12 seats or the 9 kwa.
Me
say 12 seats or the 9 kwa.
We are told some flag in important design here. But don't I know. Now we nipa.
Or the akoko ko. Politics here. So be question no ne PV or be mu na de colors ne ba yo. Kono do di akoko ni tini ne be so say. E da akoko tina ma.
Enti Martin tina ma.
So say umbrella na akoko ni tini tia so bi.
Oh sir.
Ye the eagle bi de na be so so.
Uza
na ye color.
First
eagle no na ye color.
Na akoko ni tini saso no na omo dwe oman ne ho.
Ese wa.
Say
Abuzamo yamfasida ema eye aboafo anopay medical catcher say eye 21st clinic eye expert in sciatica yare bia yebodie we dipadua no bomade na twa na mobra na in somehow sisi achi dompene bremo ye wahwa overseas just after Alpha Radio
a fact.
I see.
I think what be a fact.
He's a good communicator, but Kasano one for what you need to we know we are true.
I've worked with him for years.
Mama answer go.
The make Allotey the media my man replied that say nyame adom okoi de
we can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no Omo He. Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know in our tiada. Because someone who say the current situation or the current state of NDC, is problematic. To me, for me, bibia mani ye. Adis yenko kunipa, yenko shiade, yen tiasi, ye pe boys. Hey, let's organize boys. No mo jama and the NDC for beba. Ye di obi akokot, ye penipa kakra no ma she party t-shirt e de kudi na chi NDC for beko. Hey, and so share ho and ya she ye beko mo fengu ye ho ye yankoko. Hey, sa. Intimo de bia no, we na bukashi eno nko a. There be. Nye na bukashi nko a. NDC enye na bukashi nko a to da. Mo mama dwene no enye djuma. Mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi. Se mo de na adwene odem a mo no be ye djuma. Sebe. Some of you, mu onyansa chin sami jamfi. Enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asema kire no wagye di na no mo na wo de be ye adwuma. Enkosi da ben. Mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko. Mo wen mugase a afi de mo de to mo. Okay. Now, me ba ha na me be kasa. Na se manka me so me party asemo a. Kwekuado hold no who said president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president say he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting say since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say na Akufo-Addo ne win ya na. I still don't get you guys. Aden e bibia minuanum we be ye bia no say ye ntro say ye nada say ye wickedness just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia ye bone. Now, omu wie ye no. And almost signed the question petition. Patrotio, I couldn't see I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre. A refrain idea where you are setting up panel and my refrain idea term because I would assume for 4 or 5 years. Nanya miada Roma will be a ba. That's a 4 or 5 years. What a haimu I won't consume. Nanya miama opportunity say, Koda send ni payas say, where to me the hanya see so from fear 9. That's a woko to a betiana say, who ped your doom so a ba yama will business say, ye, wo mewu ye, ye wukunedi, ye wu just say hairdressers for, baba for, wine, ice water for, ice cream for, nina ho chire omo. And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana, sorry, anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa adie ni muninafi. Na sen enfie 920 because na Akufo-Addo aba wo kan yesi so wo light ye adwuma unya ayi iron de to ade e say unya light di sua ade enti no owi afi say na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo e na ebedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika. Sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu my name in terms of sika no mo scan womo e na bebedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. we've seen so many people I know muska, but this sounds some bad managers into no musika na ntumi anya dey and survival omo bo form. We see this day in day out, day in day out. Into seminar say NDC niba na so see or court already no why a press conference say where we need say o court ya e no nka we yi ho afi wo court so a won sem kura say be fa court na ye nyina so ma no wo the constitution no to wa ye be twa bebre mu agu ana ye ma mo chance say mo mbe amend mo petition ye ma mo chance no menu aba ma ye ma NDC for chance so say o mo sanko anko amend ya o mo antumi amfa we ni na amba o instead no o mo kofa chire kofa ade bia your friend interrogatories 12 and o mo de bae ye ni na ye hu dia judges ne ye o mo boni na agu ye eno nkoda nchen yiwe ye no and ye be so say witnesses are here and wa to prove their case. Now witness omuko bi o ma no said they have 5 witnesses who follow court case ni bia no say mentia na me twa ntro ye ni na ye hwebi. So me metna nka say I'm saying something different. Almost say almost the 5 witnesses and ebeba and ye ti asem a omo. Ebre ni duru ye say ye mbedi asem no na 5 witnesses no afa de change akwa 2 for now. Ne 2 no so the prime one say wom see edun ketia. Now listen, I have no problem with the see edun ketia being a key witness